Installing CX Mobile is pretty straightforward, and it's the same on both devices, whether it's an Apple or whether it is an Android. In Android, you're going to go to Google Play. In an iPhone, you're going to go to the App Store. And what you do is search for AVST Mobile, and then just simply download it. It is a free app. When it's done downloading, you simply open it up. At this point, you should press login, and then you need to put in the name of the mobile server. This is the name where you have installed the CX Mobile application, or the web server where you've put in the application. Use secure SSL. That's probably the best thing. It's default. And then put in your mailbox ID. And your security code, followed by your phone number. When you're done, press Next. Again, just like we saw when we programmed this extension or programmed our mobile phone, we had the choice as an administrator to select incoming calls, updates. We can do that by this application as well. When you're done, just simply press Finish. At that point, you are free to look at you're free to use the application. Simply look at the calls, access the directory, change your availability settings, manage your greetings. Basically, most of the things that are available in Web Phone Manager are available to your mobile app. When you're finished, you can just simply close out of the application. The system is token based, so once you've entered in your password, this CXE system issues you a token, and then you will not have to enter that password until it expires, and it will ask you, of course, to re-authenticate.